Tones of something. Tones of something. Meaning amount of something. Example: she adorned herself with tons of jewelry. Slip someone mind. Slip someone mind. Meaning to be forgotten. Example: did it slip your mind to grab your keys before leaving? Knock on wood. Knock on wood. Meaning wish for good luck. Example: my job interview went well, knock on wood. Birthday suit. Birthday suit. Meaning being naked or without clothes. Example: the beach allows people to enjoy the sun in their birthday suit. Tell back to. Tell back to. Meaning rudely behavior or responding disrespectfully. Example: it's not acceptable to talk back to your boss. Drown one sorrow. Drown one sorrow. Meaning drink to forget one's trouble. Example: after the breakup, he tried to drown his sorrow at the bar. Put your foot down. Put your foot down. Meaning to assert authority. Example: the manager decided to put her foot down and enforce the new rules. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. Meaning to watch carefully. Example: keep an eye on your wallet in crowded places. A needle in a haystack. A needle in a haystack. Meaning something that is very difficult. Example: finding my keys in the messy room was like searching for a needle in a haystack. Eat a hat. Eat a hat. Meaning an expression of disbelief. Example: if he finishes that project on time, I will eat a hat. Face to face. Face to face. Meaning direct encounter. Let's discuss this face to face. Take 5. Take 5. Meaning take a short break. Example: I will take 5 minutes to respond to emails. Rough day. Rough day. Meaning challenging or difficult day. Example: don't worry if you had a rough day. Tomorrow is a new chance. Keep straight face. Keep straight face. Meaning avoid laughing and smiling. Example: during the prank, he struggled to keep a straight face. Hit the bar. Hit the bar. Meaning go to bar. Example: she suggested hitting the bar for a celebration. Doesn't lift a finger. Doesn't lift a finger. Meaning not to help someone to do something. Example: don't expect him to lift a finger. She's quite lazy. Rusty. Rusty. Meaning not as fluent in a language as you used to be. Example: Zara's English is a bit of rusty. I lost my cool. I lost my cool. Meaning losing patience. Example: she lost her cool after waiting for hours. Get hitched to. Get hitched to. Meaning joined in marriage. Example: they decided to get hitched after years of dating.